Hello friends, welcome to Sugary_Confections channel. Today we will learn together how to make two types of delicious and soft homemade bread. Today I teach two models of bread with different design and baking. Turn on the subtitles, they work for you. Subscribe, like, and cook. Click on the text CC in the upper right corner of the video and the three dots in the upper right corner. Then click translate and you can add subtitles. Baking homemade bread is not only enjoyable, but you can have complete control over the ingredients. Second recipe. I love the texture and taste of the dumpling. It's so delicious that it reminds me of the soft and fresh sugar donuts that we used to buy when we were kids. This donut took me back to my childhood. Anyway, let's make it together. We need 750 grams of white wheat flour node. Always use fresh and high-quality flour to make your bread better. Yeast and flour, both 1 tablespoon. First, I add yeast and sugar to the flour. Now add an egg that has reached room temperature to the ingredients. Bread improver 1/8 teaspoon. Add 200 milliliters of cold milk and 200 milliliters of warm milk in a glass and pour 1 tablespoon of salt in it. Half a glass of oil or 50 milliliters. The second step, kneading the dough. Knead the dough for 10 minutes until it becomes soft and elastic. If the dough sticks to your hands, add a little flour. Tip: kneading well will make your bread have a better texture. Third step, resting the dough. Place the dough in a greased bowl and cover it with a cloth. Let it rest in a warm place for 1 hour until it doubles in volume. Note: during this time, you can brew some tea and rest. We knead the dough again, and you can knead the dough with an electric mixer. I cut 184 grams of dough to make our delicious childhood sugar donuts. The fourth step, shaping the bread after resting. Gently divide the dough into 2 parts and shape each part into desired shape. You can use a bread pan or a baking tray. Tip: you can make beautiful cuts on the bread with a knife. Dip the dough into the flour. Let me know where you watch from in the comments on the Sugary_Confections channel. I would like to know where you hear my voice from. Thank you for choosing Sugary Confections channel to watch, and I appreciate your support. Thank you for choosing Sugary Confections channel to watch, and I appreciate your support. Leave the donut dough to rest for an hour. While the donuts are resting, let's start shaping the second dough. I divide the second bread dough into 8 equal parts. Rest the dough for 1 hour. Now we can cut the dough and cut it in the desired shape. Let the bread rest for an hour. While they are resting, let's go to the dumpling dough. Pour special frying oil in the pan. Let the oil get hot, and then fry the donuts in the oil. After frying, I pour powdered sugar on the water. You can stir the chocolate. I sprinkled powdered sugar on the donuts, and it tasted amazing. Now cook the second bread. Thank you for being with me until now. Please like and subscribe to Sugary Confections channel. Brush an egg on the bread dough. Bake the bread for 20 minutes in the oven at a temperature of 220 degrees Celsius and bake it in the second stage at a temperature of 250 degrees for 10 minutes. Let me know what you think about the new video style in the comments. Thank you for being with me so far. Your support makes my video style better than yesterday.